Okay, we are back at the Jonathan's tiny house and his tiny cabin. And
House.
it did work well with the awnings. It's raining cats and dogs today.
Yeah, raining cats
High
and
in the
dogs.
40s. So, again, that's winter here in Texas. But the neat thing is, if you see, the window is dry. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so it's cold, so we're going to get more insulation going up in this roof today, and I've got some more wall boards, so we're hopefully going to get this wall finished off, if not all the way. The majority of we're back to doing wall boards, right, Jonathan?
Yep.
Going pretty nicely. Got a couple of pieces put on already, and doing the trimming of the edge of each piece. It is raining cats and dogs today. But, oh, look at that. Couldn't have asked for a better fit. Nice. Okay. What did you do okay? You need the vent thing now? Or no? What are you doing, Jonathan?
I don't know. Have fun with my thing.
With your plumbing?
Yeah, my plumbing thing.
Are you trying to connect parts together here?
Yeah.
They're not fitting together?
No.
What seems to be the problem? Will they fit on here?
No.
Try one of the other sides.
Hey, my diagonal cutters, they should be in there
What about, yeah.
or on the counter.
Not quite. So today, Ronnie got, well, not today, he put up the plugs the other day, and then he put some covers on today. These won't stay on there because we still got to put the stainless steel on. But got the one there, and we don't have any wall there yet, so he didn't do that one there, but he did this one here. And we got the switch in that one. We don't have the cover on yet. And he's putting up Jonathan's fan. Anything to fit?
No.
No? That fit on there?
Yes.
Oh, see? Oh, there too.
I don't know if this.
No, that's not going to fit there, is it?
No.
Now what are you going to do with your contraption?
I don't know. I hope you just sleeping under
You're
my
gonna
thing.
get up underneath the house and put that on?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good. Then I won't have to do it. You can crawl under there with the bugs and snakes. Here, you hold one side, and then we'll turn this. Here, you have to move it out a little.
Oh.
See? Yeah. See? Don't do it too tight because we'll have to get it back off.
What's that?
Huh? See? Yeah. Now we know how to go under the sink, huh?
Yes. But I losing my frustration hours, moments ago this morning.
Exactly. And there's.
All right.
And there we have it. Light is thanks to the, oh my gosh, blinding Lighthouse Mini by Goal Zero. And that was not a commercial. Ceiling, and I've almost got the bathroom done. And I will say, most of this, like the walls and ceilings and stuff, I've been doing by myself with some help from Jonathan. But like when it comes to getting up and down on ladders, that's something that Jonathan really can't do. So this has been a pain in the hiney too, because I'm having to come in here, you know, see where it needs to be cut, mark it, and you can't really get the measurement through there accurately, and then come back up here and line it up outside here. And so it's been some exercise. Let's just say that. It's been some exercise. Yeah. A pain in the what?
It's hard putting your glasses on, no? Yeah. I know we had a small butt today,
All right. We are going to call it a day. My goal was to finish this ceiling, but I tell you what, this piece right there with the light just kind of did it for me for the day. So it's looking good though. I like it.
I like it.
Yes, he likes it. And that's what ultimately matters, is that he likes it. All right, so the hardest part is finished. This last part, it's kind of tricky because with the wires running up in there, so I had to do some tricky maneuvering to kind of get around that and get it in place, but I think it's all good now. So hopefully everything will stay where it's supposed to. And now it should be easier from this point out. Okay, so this is how much I have left. And I said, when I finished with the bathroom, I was like, oh yeah, the rest is going to be easy peasy. Well, some of these pieces have been a little warped, so unless you have 4 hands or an octopus with 8 legs, it's not as easy peasy, but Jonathan's been helping. He has been using a stick and holding up the one end so I can do the other end. And this warm weather in Texas, we're in the 70s today, and if you'll see, it's nice and sunny, and it seems to be confusing the bees because they are just all out and about today. Bees, wasps, yellow jackets, whatever they are, all the above. Yeah, you just can't get good hired help anymore.
Union mandated pizza break.
Yeah.
Union mandated pizza break. Let's go inside and look how the ceiling looks so far. It's going a lot faster. We've been yapping with the neighbors, aka son and daughter-in-law, for a while. We got this entire side done. Well, we had what was left done. So now we only have 11 more pieces to go. Yes. First it was a union mandated pizza break. Now it's a union mandated tea break. You must think he's British.
Got to follow those rules.
It's looking good. We got cut around the light fixture back there. Got 8 more pieces to go, and the ceiling's done. But first, tea. Here we go. The ceiling is completely finished. Yay! So on to the walls. You ready, Paul?
Wow, I like it.
You like it? Almost ready to move in, huh?
Oh, heck yeah.
All right, let's get to work on that wall. Day today, it's going to be 70. Well, it feels like it's probably already almost 70. My little solar box over there is fully charged up, 100%, and Jonathan's phone is charging right now, and we're going to start cutting. Now we have the board cut, and Jonathan is holding it in place temporarily, but I need to put the level on it because this is the first board on this wall, so we need to check level so all our boards aren't going crooked along the way here. Okay, Oh, well, look at that.
What?
That one is level. Woohoo, okay. So we are charging the batteries from the Ryobi with the solar generator. Yay. That's as far as we're getting on that wall for today. We ran out of wood again, but the good news is what I cut off on that wall fit over here going up here, so we got that part done. Well, not done, but as you see, but making progress. So I think, well, I'm going to measure to make sure because I know how long this, so I'll measure and figure out how many more boards I need for that, and we'll get that done on the next trip for certain. And I'm gonna turn back to flying today. I drilled, got through on the inside. Now I'm gonna come on the outside, and my drill wasn't, the bit here wasn't long enough, so I drilled through with a smaller bit, and now I'll come up underneath where that is and drill up into it. And then hopefully we'll get some pipe run up in there today. Eagle Zero lantern here to make sure I can see what's going on up underneath here, which doesn't really look like anything. Okay, let's see. I can't even see here. Oh, there it is. And all the way up into the house. Okay, that's one of the things I like the least about this job. Okay, so we're at a stopping point today. I'm going to this pipe is not actually fitted yet, but I'm just gonna kind of set it there. And well, I've got the other one I'm gonna set in there so it's not open like that. And I need to, for the connection, where did I put that piece again? For the connection, I need to make the hole a little bit bigger. And this has just been a pain to deal with today. So I'm losing my patience. I'm going to call it quits for the day.